Hey guys, today I'm making a grilled chicken meal with zucchini and oven roasted potatoes. So first I am marinating my chicken. So I'm going to be using 2 chicken breasts and I have them filleted. So you can ask your butcher or just any grocery stores that can fillet your chicken, or you can do it yourself. Use a Ziploc bag and put your chicken in it. Use any type of seasoning. I use mustard and Worcestershire sauce and some salt and pepper. Mix. Zip your baggie and then marinate it for 30 minutes in the fridge. While your chicken is marinating, use 2 buttered potatoes and wash them with water. Get a cutting board. Start cutting them into small slices like this. Make sure you cut them into thin slices. Put your cut up potatoes into a bowl and drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Add garlic powder. Onion powder. Or chili flakes. And mix. Use a large baking pan and pour some olive oil to it, and then lay out your potatoes in a single file line. It's time to grill the chicken. Now I'm going to plug in my shack grill. If you don't have a shack grill, then you can use a Foreman grill or any type of portable grill. For this recipe, I'm using the shack grill. Heat your grill to 400 degrees. While your grill is preheating, grab your essentials for grilling your chicken. Use a stand, a meat thermometer. This one is super important. It can help us seeing your chicken is cooked or not cooked. And this one has all of the meat temperatures. I got this one on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below. Lastly, use a plate and a lid. I'm going to be cooking 2 at a time. Cook it for 5 minutes, and make sure to wash your spatula or tongs. After 5 minutes, check your chicken and use your meat thermometer. Make sure the temperature is at 165 degrees. If it's not at the temperature, then cook it for another 5 minutes. And now it's fully cooked. I'm gonna place it onto a plate and cover it with a lid. If your chicken breast is really big, make sure to cook it more time. I cook mine fully for 10 minutes or 12 minutes. Just depends on your size of your chicken. So yes, make sure to fully cook it. Use 2 zucchinis, cut them into small slices. Add some olive oil to the pan. Put your zucchini on the pan. Cook it on medium heat. Add some garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, preheat your oven to 425. Cook them for 20 minutes. Once your zucchini is golden brown, move them to the side to make the circle, and then add some 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then stir around. Turn down the heat and cover it with the lid. Here is the final meal. This meal was a 10 out of 10. Super good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you want me to make next. Bye.